Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because I finally got my hands on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's been a long wait. I had pre-booked the phone and it took some time to get here, but it's finally here. I've been dying to open the box, but I wanted to share the unbox experience with you guys. Till date, I've not seen the phone in person and I've not held it in my hands. Even though it's displayed all over in the stores, I did not want to see it because I wanted to genuinely have my first impressions with you guys. It's been tough. I was dying to rip these peels off and open it the minute I got it, but I wanted to share the experience with all of you. So here we are. Without any further delay, let's dive in. So let's start off with the box. It's a simple white box. It's sleek in design and it's now white in color. And if you see, there's a photo of the iPhone 15 Pro Max on top, which has these grains on the screen. That's depicting the new titanium material that they're using in the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. It's got the iPhone badging on both the sides and the Apple logo on the top and bottom. So let's rip this bad boy open and check what's inside. Let's start by tearing the seal open. Oh, you guys, you don't know how satisfying this is. Yeah. Let's see what's inside. Guys, the natural titanium color is fantastic. Just look at that. Look at the finish. The bare titanium color on the sides is exactly what I was wanting. And this looks really good. To be honest guys, I was confused about the color. I didn't know whether I should go for the natural titanium color or the blue one. But I'm super happy that I made the choice of going with the natural titanium. And this is just fantastic. So let's power it on and keep it on the side. Let's have a look what else is there in the box. So it's just a booklet and the cable, of course. There's no charging brick in the Apple iPhone anymore. So there's a SIM ejector tool, manual, and of course the Apple logo. Let's put that back. So this is the biggest change in this year's lineup. They've added a USB Type-C port to the iPhone. So the box now comes with a Type-C to Type-C cable. And if you have a look, this is now braided. It's not the plain boring cable that used to come in the previous generations. It's the same type of cable that you get with the MacBook Pro and the iPad Pro, if I'm not mistaken. The braided cable is definitely better than the previous one, and it will also last longer because it's braided, and I don't think there'll be much damage to the cable like the previous years. Let's put that back. And now coming to the iPhone. There you go guys. So first impressions right off the bat, I can definitely feel it is much lighter in hand than the previous generation. My iPhone 13 Pro Max feels much heavier. I think there's a difference of 19 to 20 grams in the weight, and you can definitely feel it. So iPhone 15 Pro Max has not changed much when it comes to its design, but Apple has made minor tweaks here and there. The edges are now slightly rounded, and I have to admit it is easier to hold in hand. It does not dig into my palms like the previous one because the edges are much smoother. It's not sharp like the stainless steel one. And yeah, it's much better to hold in hand, guys. Then the feel is also great. The camera bump also has this stainless steel type finish to it, and it looks amazing. Guys, I'm really happy with this color choice. Just look at it, how gorgeous it is. And looking at the bezels, I can definitely make out that it's thinner than the previous generation. And it feels great in the hand, guys. I'm not just saying it. Trust me, once you hold the new iPhone 15 Pro Max, you are definitely going to feel the difference. So there you go, guys. There's the USB Type-C port. And I can't wait to set this up. So stay tuned guys, there'll be a lot of videos coming in. The next video will be on how to set up the iPhone 15 Pro Max and how to transfer data from your old iPhone to this one without losing any data. And I'll also be doing a lot of camera comparisons and tests and battery life, and I will share my entire experience with all of you. So yeah, this has been my first impressions and unboxing of the new iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I am super happy with this color, and the feel is just phenomenal guys. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for all the upcoming videos. See you in the next one.